Today I will start text point of reproduction in lower and higher plants, that is development of embryo in dicot plant as well as in monocot plant. After the pollination and fertilization, that is after fertilization, egg, when one male gamete fuses with egg to form a zygote and another male gamete fuses with secondary nucleus, form the primary endospermic nucleus. Then zygote secrete wall around itself to form oospore. That is, oospore is formed. This oospore divides to form two-celled proembryo. This is proembryo, two-celled proembryo. It consists, that is, by mitotic division, it divides and to form the proembryo, two-celled proembryo. Then the proembryo of two cells, the one lying near to the micropyle and another away from it, that is, it is called the embryonal cell and terminal cell. The embryonal cell is towards the micropylar end and another is the terminal cell. Okay, the basal cell, that is embryonal cell and basal cell. The basal cells undergoes repeated division to form the suspensor cells. That is, it is called the terminal cell. Embryonal cell is called the terminal cell and suspensor cell is called a basal cell. The embryonal cell, that is suspensor cell, divides repeatedly to form a row of cell and the suspensor is develops. Suspensor is formed. The suspensor helps to push the embryo deep in the endosperm. This is the suspensor cells and this is embryonal cell. Okay. Then the suspensor helps to push the embryo towards the endosperm. The terminal cells of two-celled proembryo undergoes transverse division. Proembryonal cell, that is embryonal cell, divides transversely and to form the vertical division at right angle to each other. First of all, it divides to form two cells. Then these cells are again divides right angle to each other and forms the vertical division at right angle to each other to form octant stage. Four cells here, four cells behind this, that is octant stage is formed. This is four-celled eye-shaped proembryo and octant stage. Then these cells of octant proembryo undergo periclinal division. These embryonal mass of the cells undergoes periclinal division to form the outer eight layer cells and inner layer cells, inner mass of 8 layer cells. From the outer 8 layer cells, there is the formation of a dermatogen. From the outer 8 layer cells, the dermatogen is developed. You know, from the dermatogen, that is epidermis, ground tissue, etc. Then inner 8 cells gives rise to embryonal mass. Embryonal mass. Inner 8 cells gives rise to embryonal mass. Then which is differentiated into procambium and the ground meristem from the embryonal mass, and later on they get differentiated to form an embryonal axis. Get differentiated into embryonal axis. The embryonal axis consists the cotyledon, radicle, then here the plumule, radicle. In this way, the embryonal mass, from the embryonal mass, inner cells of the embryonal mass, there is the horseshoe shaped the cotyledons, that is embryonal axis is developed. Okay, here in the LS of ovule, it shows that is development of the octant stage. From this, the developing embryo, this embryo is pushed deep in the endosperm with the help of the suspensor. This is the suspensor. The suspensor develops from the suspensor cells, and the endosperm is pushed deep in the endosperm. Okay, the embryonal axis consists plumule, radicle, cotyledon, and in this way the embryo development takes place in dicot plants. अशा पद्धतीनं एम्ब्रियो डेव्हलपमेंट डायकॉट प्लांट मध्ये पूर्ण होते. हाऊ द एम्ब्रियो डेव्हलपमेंट टेक्स प्लेस? That is after pollination and fertilization. That is one male gamete fuses with the egg. It get converts into zygote. These zygotes secrete wall around itself to form the oospores. The oospore undergoes division, mitotic division, to form the proembryo, that is two-celled structure. It consists the embryonal cell and suspensor cell. It is called basal cell and terminal cell. That is the basal cell, embryonal cell is called the terminal cell, and suspensor cell is called the basal cell. From the embryonal cell, it divides right angle to that is first of all transverse division, then later on it divides transversely and right angle to each other, that is periclinal division, and octant is formed. Then from this octant the mass of proembryo is formed, and out of this mass of proembryo, that is 8 cells of the proembryo, outer tier, that is it is arranged in two tiers, that is outer tier and inner tier. From the outer tier the dermatogen is developed, and from inner tier, that is here the outer layer and inner layer, 8 cells, the inner mass of 8 cells layer, it gives rise to the embryonal axis. The embryonal axis consists plumule, radicle. In this way the development of dicot takes place. Here development of dicot and monocot is same up to similar both, that is dicot and monocot. In octant stage the difference appear later on in monocot. Here this is the development of monocot embryo. Up to octant stage the development of monocot and dicot is same. That is oospore is formed after the fertilization, egg get converts into oospore. This oospore divides mitotically, that is embryonal initial is formed, and then it divides transversely, that is basal cell and terminal cell. The terminal cell divides and transversely to form 4-celled eye-shaped proembryo. Then it again divides transversely and periclinally to form the octant stage, that is octant stage. And then in monocot the single cotyledon is occupies terminal position and plumule is later. In single celled, here in the monocot plant, there is the shield shaped scutellum is present, and it is covered, that it consists the plumule and radicle is in the monocot seed, that is the plumule is covered by coleoptile and radicle is covered by coleorhiza. Single cotyledon is developed from the embryonal mass of cells, that is cotyledon, radicle, plumule is developed. In this way, the development of dicot and monocot embryo is completed. Okay, how the development of dicot and monocot embryo is takes place? That is, both dicot and monocot, the up to octant stage, it is similar, but difference is that from the octant, here the suspensor cell is divides and forms the two cells of the suspensor cell, and from the terminal cell the octant is, that is mass of cells of the embryonal mass of cell is formed, and it get differentiates the outer layer from the outer layer, that is radicle, inner the cotyledon, and shield shaped scutellum is developed. In this way the development of dicot and monocot is completed. Okay.